In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list in Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, poster, or any other design project, knowing how to structure your content with numbered lists can enhance both its clarity and visual appeal. So let's dive right into it and explore this straightforward yet essential skill. First, start by opening your Canva project. You can do this by heading over to your dashboard and selecting the project you want to edit. If you're creating something new, go ahead and create a blank canvas or choose a template that suits the theme of your task. This step is crucial as Canva features an intuitive interface designed to cater to creative minds, making designing fun and easy for anyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Once you're in your project, locate the text box where you want to create your numbered list. If you don't have a text box yet, simply add one by clicking on the text option in the toolbar and choosing Add a little bit of body text or whichever text format you prefer. Click to insert it onto your design, then adjust the size and position to suit your needs. This flexibility is what makes Canva a popular tool among designers, giving you the freedom to easily customize various elements of your design. Now here's the core part of our task today, turning a text box into a numbered list. In the toolbar at the top of your Canva interface, you'll find a range of text formatting options. Among those, look for the list icon nestled next to the alignment buttons. Normally, this feature is preset to create bullet points, which is great for itemizing information in a clean and simple way. But today, we're all about numbers. To transform the bullets into numbers, all you need to do is click on the list icon, not once, but twice. The first click will initiate a bulleted list, and your second click will switch it to a numbered list. Just like that, your text is neatly organized into numbers. This feature is useful when you want to clearly communicate step-by-step instructions or any ordered sequence. Remember, a well-laid-out list doesn't just convey information. It can also make your project look professionally structured, which is incredibly beneficial when you aim to impress your audience or clients. And there we have it. You've successfully created a numbered list in Canva. This seemingly small trick can have a big impact on the way your information is presented. So next time you're putting together a project that requires a clear, logical flow of information, don't forget to take advantage of the simple yet effective numbered list feature in Canva. Happy designing and see you in the next tutorial.